Diego from NutriAdmin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the ingredients for a recipe. So when you load the recipes editor, you can click on the ingredients tab, and this tab allows you to change everything related to ingredients in the recipe. So you can, for instance, rename the ingredients. This is like a spreadsheet, like an Excel sheet. So you can click and just type whatever you want. For instance, if I want to rename this, I can just say olive oil, and then this will save the changes. You see here changes are saved automatically. Then to change the quantity, you can just type a number here. So you can type whatever you want, and you can copy paste as well. So you can select a bunch of them and paste it, and it will edit them all at the same time. So this interface is quite powerful. Then to change the portion, you can either click on this little arrow, and this shows you all the options that we have. So you can select your favorite. But you can also, just using your keyboard, you can type. So let's say I type the word cap. It will select, you see on the bottom here, it's automatically selecting the first instance that matches the word cap. So I can click and it will pick it. And in here, the portions are ordered from lowest weight to highest weight. So from low to high. And now if the portion you want is not available here, you can always just right click and create a custom portion. So let's say I can say one custom portion and just give it an amount, and this will create that, and then I can select it in here. Now so this is how you add the ingredients that are in here. So now to add ingredients, there are two options. The quickest is just to type in here what you want. So I can type the word banana, and this will bring the quick search in which the item I want is, you notice is highlighting in blue the word banana, and then it's showing me the calories per 100 grams. This pie chart is a macronutrient breakdown, and this is the database where it's coming from. So we have standard database, USDA for US products, AUSNAT for Australian products, UK, and then there's also the branded products that come at the bottom. So you could pick an item from there, and it will be added like this. But if you want more control, you can also search foods in the database here. So let's say I want to search for a particular item. In here I have different tabs with different databases, and this gives me the energy, protein, carbs, and fat, and I can filter, sort, and I have more information in here. So when I find the item I want, I can click and it will be added. And now if I want to delete these items, I can just select them and click here, remove rows, and this will ask me if I'm sure, and I can press confirm delete to remove them from the place. So that's in a nutshell how to edit ingredients in the recipes interface. There are some more options here, such as you have the ability to add my foods, so these are foods that you've created yourself, the ability to add a meal preset, the ability to choose by category, so in here you just can navigate and see some basic items, and the ability to add multiple foods. So this will, you can say like 1 cup rice, 2 cups chocolate, 3 pears, anything like that, and it will find all of the items, and you see it adds them all at once. So that's a quick way of adding items quickly, and then you can change the quantities if they are not right. So that's in a nutshell how it works. If you want to see the macros of the foods you've added, you can check these different sections here for a breakdown per ingredient. Same for micros, and this is how you edit it. Thanks for watching.